If you are looking for an easy and delicious soup that can be made in under 15 minutes, then this is the soup for you. This healthy, filling, vegetarian-friendly soup is so delicious you'll be licking your bowl clean. And I'm going to show you how to make it today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. To start, we simply prep a few ingredients by dicing up 1 medium white onion and dicing up 1 bell pepper. Now we're going to head over to the stove and get to cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Add in the onions and bell peppers and saute that for about 5 minutes. Now that our onions and peppers have a little bit of color, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, which is about 5 cloves. Then add in 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and then toast that for about 60 seconds until that becomes more fragrant. Now we're going to pour in 4 cups of chicken broth, and then I'm using 3 15-ounce cans of black beans, juice and all. If you want to use dried black beans, we have all the tips and tricks for that over on our blog. Then we're going to add in 1 15-ounce can of fire-roasted tomatoes, 4 ounces of canned green chilies. Bring that soup to a boil, and then you're going to reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 5 minutes. We're going to remove that from the heat. And using an immersion blender, we're going to blend the soup briefly to smooth the soup up a bit. Do it to your liking. You can also use a blender, and I recommend putting about half of the contents into that and blending that because you're still going to want some texture. Add in 2 tablespoons of lime juice, which is about enough juice from 1 lime. Season with salt to your preference. And of course, hot sauce to your liking. Serve that hot, topped with tortilla strips, crema, diced avocados, cilantro, and cheese. And then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.